What are you guys doing?
We're bouncing. You helped me. Thank you.
Oh. What does the bunny do, Mia? No, what's Papa doing?
Ready? Show. Bounce. Oh, you fix it.
How long can Papa go? That's what I want to know.
I'm already sweating.
I bet. Mia, I think your bunny is out of Energizer batteries.
Crazy, you're crazy.
Got you. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.